So when a leader is confronted with ineffective or inexperienced leadership on their executive team, it's time to pull the cord. It's time to really evaluate whether this sense of loyalty that you have to a person that you might have invested time, energy, and leadership growth into, it's time to evaluate whether that loyalty is coming at a high cost, at a high expense, in the way of team performance that is suffering. The greatest thing a leader can do is to call it straight, is to measure, to have honest discourse, honest conversation around the dashboard metrics, around the team performance, and always keep the standards high for performance and in helping the rest of the team understand and drive those performance metrics. In a culture of high performance, harmony is best achieved through high performance results. Build a culture around high performance excellence, the achievement of results first, so that you can have harmony.